Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to send mail from Mailchimp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Mailchimp website right here at mailchimp.com. If you're not already, this is going to be the main URL you want to open up, after which you're going to go and be greeted by this homepage right here. This is the homepage from where we can get started. So the first thing we need to do to be able to send mail is to log into our account. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is sign up for one by clicking the sign up button. This is going to take you to the next page from where you can get started selecting what kind of plan you want to use, premium, standard, and so on, and what you want to use it for. So once you've gotten your account set up and running and you have logged in, now we can get started. So after logging in, you are going to go and be greeted by the home page. The home page is going to offer you your home menu from where you're going to have all the options we need. And now we can get started following this article right here on Mailchimp.com showing us how to create an email. Basically guys, they have told you first to create an account like I just told you and log in. After that, you're going to go and be able to take a look at your API, and then we can find a create button. So to create a regular email, there is going to appear a create button in your dashboard that is going to enable you to create an email. So you're going to click the email drop down and then choose the regular email. From there, you're going to enter a name and click begin and just type it out like any other email that you're going to be sending with your Mailchimp account. And it's that easy. So once you have logged in, open up your dashboard, create an email and send it to whoever you want. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.